Kweth mochung'ne kedo ne ratich oganda pod dhi nyime kod seyo mokalo piny owacho mar Kenya kuom ling thii kata doko ni ratich Jo-Kenya e piny libamba ma Tanzania irocho. E seche gogo bende anyuola mar Okoth Ogutu manonegi e piny Tanzania koro medo chwalo ywak margi mondo mi giyud kaka inyalo duok ringre jalno manonegi pacho. Japuonj Ogutu wachore ni nonegi e piny Tanzania bang' ka nochiele gi magina e kinde ng'anyo mane pingo yiero mar piny Tanzania manolando Suluhu Hassan kaka jaloch.
Mr. President, please come out and assist us. We need to put a closure to this as a family. We are tortured emotionally, psychologically. Things can't move on. We are tortured. We are appealing for the body of John. Because as at now, we have evidence that John was killed in Tanzania. We are appealing for that body to be brought home.
These conditions essentially produce the conspiracy theories. It produces the concerns that not only have there been massive human rights violations, but also there is a massive cover-up that is happening at the moment. Unverified yet are concerns around disposal or mass burials of bodies. And I think, without access to some of these locations and safe access, unfortunately, the conspiracies and the concerns will continue.
Kenyans working in Tanzania must not be scapegoated by an administration that has violently suppressed civic space. We stand in solidarity with the people of Tanzania in their struggle for human rights, freedom, and dignity. We call upon the governments of Kenya, the African Union, SADC, the East African Cooperation, and the United Nations to act decisively and protect Tanzanians, Kenyans in Tanzania, and other foreign nationals.